Welcome to a realm where artificial intelligence meets the world of architecture. Get ready to embark on a journey of innovation, creativity, and boundless possibilities. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of the AI architecture generator. Witness how technology is reshaping the very foundations of design. Hello, tech explorers and visionaries. I'm your guide on this awe-inspiring adventure. From the grandeur of the past to the innovations of the future, we're unraveling the secrets behind the AI architecture generator. Join us as we bridge the gap between creativity and artificial intelligence. Get ready to unlock a world where aesthetics and functionality harmonize like never before. Through collaboration with our AI partners, architects are pushing the boundaries of imagination. Stay tuned as we unveil the future of architecture, one algorithm at a time. This is the fusion of AI and design, a revolution that's shaping our world. Welcome to a world where the blueprint of innovation knows no limits. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Today, we're diving into the realm of cutting-edge technology, where artificial intelligence meets architecture. That's right, we're about to embark on a fascinating journey exploring the AI architecture generator, a tool that's reshaping the way we design and conceptualize buildings. So, grab your virtual hard hats, because things are about to get innovative. First things first, let's understand the foundation of this incredible innovation. The AI architecture generator is powered by advanced machine learning algorithms, specifically a GPT-based architecture. This AI has been trained on a vast repository of architectural designs, historical structures, and construction principles, giving it a deep understanding of architectural aesthetics and functionality. The training process is where the magic happens. Thousands of architectural plans and concepts are fed into the AI's neural network, allowing it to learn the intricate nuances of different styles, materials, and spatial arrangements. Now, here comes the exciting part. With the AI architecture generator, designers and architects can collaborate with a digital partner that suggests innovative design solutions. Imagine inputting your project's requirements, and within seconds, receiving a variety of design options that you might never have thought of. From sleek modern skyscrapers to cozy eco-friendly cottages, this AI can cater to a wide range of architectural styles and preferences. It takes inspiration from various eras and cultures, making it a versatile tool for architects around the globe. It's not just about appearances, functionality is key. The AI architecture generator considers factors like energy efficiency, natural light optimization, and structural integrity. It ensures that your dream design is as practical as it is visually stunning. Collaboration takes a new form with this AI. Architects can interact with the AI in real time, making adjustments, asking questions, and receiving instant feedback. It's like having a creative partner that's always ready to brainstorm. The AI architecture generator isn't just transforming how buildings are designed. It's pushing the boundaries of human imagination. By automating certain design tasks, architects can focus more on pushing the envelope of innovation and experimenting with truly groundbreaking concepts. As we gaze into the future, it's clear that AI will continue to be a driving force in architecture. While some might fear that AI will replace human creativity, I believe it's a tool that amplifies our capabilities and opens up new horizons. And there you have it, folks. The AI architecture generator, a glimpse into the future of architectural design. What an incredible time to be alive and witness the convergence of AI and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a journey into the world of technology and innovation. Until next time, keep dreaming and designing.